Hello creators, hey guys, I'm Onyinye and welcome to Clooza. So exciting news, our Clooza shop is now live, which means you get to sell products either physical or digital right here on Clooza without creating or attaching an event. So in this video, I'm just going to show you quickly how to create your product, which will go live in seconds. So let's head right into it. So you click on the dashboard tab and you head to the product section. So I already have a product, already created. So to create a new product, I just have to tap on the create product button and insert a name. So I'm going to be putting product type physical, product description. Here is a hoodie, price of 10,000, quantity 150, the category can say fashion. Product chart, that's who gets to pay for the product, the buyer, and we can add a variant like the color, say pink. Can add more option. Option and can put an image. So that's it. Then you press and you add products. So you successfully created a new product right here on your Clooza shop. So you can click here to share your unique shop link, which you can share to your customers. You can click here to manage your shop. So you can see all your products, setup, the broadcast, the customers, the orders. You can set your delivery option, either pick up or deliver. So which I'll talk more in another video. And you can see all your refunds, the statistics. So that's all for this video. And the next video we're going to talk about our closer forms. Thank you.